Good evening everyone, and welcome to Story Insights. When two people kiss, it's not just a romantic gesture. It's a deep biological signal, a communication between two bodies and two minds. Kissing has existed in human culture for thousands of years, and even today, scientists believe it plays a powerful role in emotional bonding, trust, and attraction. When lips touch, the body releases a chemical called oxytocin, often known as the love hormone. This hormone helps strengthen emotional connection and makes people feel safe with each other. That's why after a kiss, you feel calm, warm, and more attached to the person you love. It's not magic, it's pure brain chemistry. At the same time, another hormone called dopamine increases. This is the pleasure hormone. It's the same chemical that makes you feel happy when you eat your favorite food or achieve something exciting. So when couples kiss, dopamine gives them that rush of joy and excitement, reminding their brains that being close to this person feels good. But kissing isn't just about feeling good. From a biological point of view, it's also about choosing the right partner. Our bodies are amazing at detecting subtle information through scent, taste, and touch. When two people kiss, their brains are subconsciously analyzing compatibility, the natural chemistry between them. Some scientists say it's an evolutionary way to test whether two people's immune systems match well enough to produce healthy offspring. Beyond the science, there's a deep psychological meaning. Kissing communicates emotions that words can't express. It says, I care about you, I trust you, and I want to be close to you. For many people, a kiss is a promise, a moment of emotional safety. It builds a silent connection that keeps relationships alive even during difficult times. Kissing also helps reduce stress. Studies show that couples who kiss regularly have lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and tend to argue less. They report feeling more supported and emotionally satisfied in their relationships. It's as if a kiss resets the emotional system, bringing peace and understanding between two hearts. In long-term relationships, kissing works like emotional glue. It keeps the spark alive. When couples stop kissing, they often begin to feel distant, not because love disappears, but because the emotional connection weakens. Regular kissing reminds the brain that this person is still special, still worth holding close. Interestingly, not all kisses are the same. A passionate kiss activates different areas of the brain than a soft or comforting kiss. Passionate kisses awaken desire and excitement, while gentle kisses express care and reassurance. Each type serves a different psychological purpose, keeping the relationship balanced between love, comfort, and attraction. Scientists also found that kissing can improve self-esteem. When someone feels desired and loved, their confidence naturally increases. It helps people feel valued and emotionally secure. This small act has the power to heal emotional wounds and reduce feelings of loneliness or anxiety. In simple words, kissing is far more than lips touching. It's a powerful emotional language, a mix of chemistry, psychology, and affection. It's how the human body says, you belong here, with me. Every kiss carries a message of love, trust, and connection that no words can replace.